Wait, give me like 5 seconds. I need to see something. Oh yeah, I have my microphone on. Okay, so if you're wondering why we're not here and not by that other locomotive like that we left off on, let's say I did a recording before this recording and maybe choked on it, maybe not there. Okay, but basically it didn't go. What? It didn't go correct. Okay, it just uploaded for some reason. Probably because my phone turned off and I didn't notice. Sorry if you could hear my root beer going down my throat. Sorry. But basically, that was a waste of my time. So, yeah, we're here. And I was about the rant about, yeah, on this locomotive. Basically, this is fictional. I can tell you that. And the guy that probably is some sort of historian on the road to Britain better look this up and make sure this is not real. Because if it is, you better tell me, and I will go hunt it down, or I will rebuild this thing. Basically, I'm just gonna say it right now. This is the British Big Boy. It's a 2660. It's London North Eastern Railroad. And yes, it doesn't exist. Most likely. So yeah, making sure I'm recording still. Boom. But still, like, it's on Steam, so whatever Steam page this is on, uh actually copy. I'm gonna link this because whatever Steam page is on, I want to go visit it later. So yeah. Anyway, this is gonna be a 9 out of 10 because this is the British Big Boy for crying out loud. Why wouldn't you give it a 9 out of 10? And can please, if someone finds the game, because I am gonna put in a pinned comment along as well as my Discord and put my Discord in the description and put this in the description, so you guys can go hunt this down. Because I would like to see more videos of this, especially if you could put it in my Discord. That would be so fun. Okay, what? Mo has no, nothing that says, oh yeah, this is a real or based on real locomotive. No, this is probably based on a some sort of European locomotive, or is a European locomotive, and it's just not showing up. But it has Union Pacific under, so that concerns me a bit. But probably because it's yellow and yeah. But I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Maybe this is real, maybe not. I'm gonna give it a 2 out, 3 out. Give it a 5 out of 10. Does 5 can round up to 10 or a higher number than 5? And that's for if it is really fictional. And you can also round down to 4, 3, 2, or 1. Even 0. And 0 means it's real. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a 5. Guy that made sure that real that made sure train that I thought was fictional was real. Um, guy. Please look this up. By the way, the one guy that commented on the last one saying that I should make a part 2, you inspired me to make the part 2. Congratulations, you have succeeded. You get a golden star. That golden star is this video. Hopefully. Checking. Good. This engine, or type of this engine, was in the last recording I made of this. Yes, I did think the bottom one was fetus. But yeah, I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 because, yeah. Big saddle tank, 4 out of 10. Okay, I'm just gonna do this right now, because I know people are gonna want to go in my Discord and post their own fictional locomotives. What I define as fictional is that it does not have a fictional paint scheme, so like a big boy locomotive being owned by like the Rio Grande or let's see, the New York Central. No, like it has to be entirely, like it has to have either a fictional wheel arrangement or a real one, but it cannot look anything like the other like the locomotive it's based off of, or it just has, basically just make it fictional. I'm sure this is not. Are we sure this is fictional? 0. Nope. 5 out of 10. Real. I had this sort of exact same thing in my other one. This is definitely either based off of an early British locomotive or based around that style of British locomotive. That'll let you off with a hook. 5. Oh yeah, if you want to play Gary's, if you want to make if you could make the British big boy and import some the Gary's mod, because I would like to see that in Gary's mod, just so you know. By the way, this is gonna be like I'll say a 3 out of 10. So it doesn't say it's real, but it doesn't say it's fake. Oh, this is real. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. Hey, a guy from the last video's comment section. Is this like the class you were talking about? Okay, yeah, then that's cool. But just give it a headlight and other stuff, and boom, we have an American British locomotive. Let's go. Oh, and that's a 0 out of 10 because it's real. Once again, paint schemes do not count as fictional. Considering if this will work, it can work. It can. Like, it could work, but again, this is a toy, sort of like a quote-unquote toy train, so the wheels don't actually move because there's like a golf cart or something underneath. So yeah, 0 out of 10 because this is real. It strikes again, American, American. Okay, we need to make this a meme. British, British tank engine. Boom. Got it, boys. Yeah. Whatever I gave like, this one and this one. Go look back in the video and comment what is the rating I gave for the American British locomotive, because that's what that gets. Diesel punk. That's new. Cool, but I'm gonna give it a 7. I'll give it a 1 out of 10 because it doesn't ride on the rails. Well, AI is stupid then. 1 out of 10. We're sure that's not fake. That's real. That's real. We have more Quadplex. Guy from last time, make sure this um, locomotive isn't any of these locomotives. That's in your job. Nope, that's real. Once again, that could be real. But all these 5 out of 10, 0 10, 0 10, 4 out of 10, lack of encouragement. Um, it's like the G1. It's like the GG1, but British or Swedish or Swiss. 7 out of 10. Probably real Swiss locomotive. 4 out of 10. I think that's real. 0 out of 10. You know what? Let's rate the Blue Engine himself. He's based off of the A2 class, but he's in the Northwestern Minnesota Northwestern Railway, because it's British. He's an E2 class, though he has a face, and unless he has internal cylinders, then he has no external. Then he has no cylinders. Or he could control himself theoretically. Well, it has been proven. So I'm gonna give him a full 3 out of 10 because he's still an E2. No, no. Every time I say no or just skip over engine, that's a 0. If you didn't know, the Hogwarts Express actually is real. You could go see in a museum in somewhere in Britain, but they did use a real engine for the Hogwarts Express, and I like it. Nope. Oh God. AC Pacific. Porter, like Porter locomotive, but bigger, and instead of ha- having the trailing wheels in the back, like the I can't remember what it's called, but it's just a Porter with trailing wheels. It has pilot wheels. So yeah, the I'm just gonna call it a day here. I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10. And yeah, that's all for now. See you later.